Hey everyone, Ryan Nielsen here. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my channel. I'm here today to tell you about a digital product training that just launched yesterday called YT Influencer. And when I found out about this, I was like totally excited and wondered why I didn't find out about it sooner. So here I am late to the party, but you still have time to get this if this is something that you're looking for. If you're new to affiliate marketing, then stay tuned because you want to take an asset and leverage it and make money with it. And Chris is going to show you how to do that with YT Influencer. Now, this is on a special promotional launch for this product, and it comes in on Friday, March 3rd at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. So at any time during this review video, if you want to go ahead and grab your copy of YT Influencer, then you can go ahead and click on any of the yellow buttons on this bonus page. But before you can do that, you have to click the link in the description below this video to take you directly to my bonus page here, where you can find all the information that you need about it. And then once you click on any of the yellow buttons, it'll take you directly to the sales page, which looks like this. And Chris has a opening video just giving you an outline, a brief overview on what it's all about, and then he tells you some more details. But we're going to go ahead and take a look at the great things that you need to know about this before you decide to make your purchase. So how this is going to go about, I'm going to show you what YT Influencer is all about, and I'm going to tell you about the prices and upsells. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Chris, and he's going to take you into the members area, and he's going to show you everything that you can count on when you decide to get YT Influencer as your training. And when we come back, I'm going to show you all of the bonuses that I have for you just by picking up the front end of YT Influencer. So let's go ahead and see what YT Influencer is all about. YT Influencer is Chris Derenberger's own personal course on building and growing a long-term and profitable affiliate business on YouTube, promoting other people's products and services. This is not just a course where he teaches, but he also shows. You will see inside several of his YouTube channels where he promotes physical products and digital products for passive monthly income. He also shows how to promote Amazon affiliate products on YouTube and how you can get products that cost $500 or more for free in exchange for a 3 to 5 minute video review. By the end of the course, you'll be equipped with the knowledge, skills, and resources to turn your passion into a profitable business and create a sustainable and long-term income. So here we go with the prices and upsells. The front end of YT Influencer is only $12 right now during this launch, which ends midnight on March 3rd, because the next day it's going up to $47, but it normally sells for $97. This is the core training consisting of 29 videos where Chris shows you everything from setting up a YouTube channel to learning how to find your own products to promote, creating videos, and ranking them on YouTube, while earning substantial commissions and getting thousands in free products every month. You'll learn how the YouTube algorithm works, how to create thumbnails, and much more. There's also an order bump once you decide to pick up your copy of YT Influencer. You will get an opportunity to decide to buy $400,000 in 90 days. It's a case study for only $27. In this video, he shows one of his niche YouTube channels and explains how he was able to earn over $400,000 in a period of 90 days from promo videos and affiliate earnings. Okay, so here are the one-time offers. OTO number 1, launch jacking, $67. In this video series, he shows you how to build an affiliate business with launch jacking. He explains how launch jacking works, how to create videos using affiliate links, optimizing for rankings, offering bonuses, building an email list, and he shows you a recent case study where he did close to $8,000 in commissions from promoting just one product. OTO number 2, expert ranker, $147. In this series of videos, he dives more into ranking strategies using his agency's ranking service, as well as other YouTube views and subscriber services to build a YouTube channel and rank much faster. This includes case studies that show him actually using these services to rank videos. OTO number 3 is the VIP Facebook group for $7. You will have the option to join his Facebook group where he can help answer any questions you have, showcase more of his results and strategies. And this Facebook group is only available for customers who have purchased the YT Influencer course. So you're going to be in an exclusive community with this particular Facebook group. So here are the key takeaways and the benefits you may be interested in getting. Even a complete newbie, you'll learn how to get started on YouTube as an affiliate marketer. You can earn referral commissions up to 75% from every visitor that buys through your affiliate link. You can learn how to get products for free in exchange for a review, and you'll have access to proven strategies, insider tips, and real-world examples from the instructor's own experience. So here is Chris right here.
Hey, and thanks for checking out my course, YT Influencer. So in this video, I just want to take you inside of it and show you exactly what you get before you purchase so you have a better idea of what to expect. So right after you purchase, you're going to be redirected to where you can log in here to the members area. There's a welcome video and some links, but the main training center you're going to find up here on the top menu. If you click on it, it's going to take you here to the core training for YT Influencer. Now there's 3 sections here of videos. There's one on preparing to get you ready. There's one on taking action, which is going to walk you through step by step on getting everything set up. And then last is going to be some videos, case studies, and updates that I'm going to continually update throughout here, showing you new case studies that I do, new updates of rankings of videos, and everything else that you need just to keep you motivated and to keep you going. So in the preparing section, I'm going to talk to you about the types of YouTube channels that you need to make. And then I'm going to show you proof that all of this works through some of my own stats, a lot of the emails I get, requests for all different types of free products I'm getting. In fact, I just got an email this morning, the first time I've ever had an offer to review a product that cost $1,000, which is going to be a treadmill with a big TV screen on it that they're going to be sending me, which is really cool. I'm also going to be talking to you about affiliate networks, about affiliate products, and the types of videos to make as an affiliate marketer that's going to get you the best conversions. Now down here in the taking action section, this is where you're going to learn to set up your YouTube channel. You're going to be able to get it verified so you can add your affiliate links in the description box. I'm going to show you how to record physical product reviews so you can get physical products for free in exchange for reviews. I'm also going to show you how to record digital products such as software and training courses. Many of those you'll be able to get also free in exchange for a review. And for physical products, I'm also going to show you how you can record these videos without even owning them and rank at the top of YouTube and Google. And this is something that I've been doing for several years now, and I have made many sales from it. In fact, I've even won affiliate contests by doing this. I'm also going to show you how I create faceless AI videos for some of my cash cow YouTube channels. And if you're not familiar with that, these are basically just informational type videos that I create using AI tools that are very quick and easy to make. You don't show your face on camera. You don't even use your own voice. And these types of videos can bring in a lot of traffic. I then go on to show you how you can create thumbnails for free for your YouTube channel. We're going to explain the YouTube algorithm and how it ranks videos so you have a better understanding of how all that works. I'm going to give you some examples of that. We're going to talk about YouTube filters, cloaking your affiliate links, or hiding the ugly affiliate links and making them look a lot better, which will increase your click-throughs and your conversions. And then also a tool that I've been using here recently a lot, which is vidIQ, how to get that added to your YouTube channel and the benefits of using it. All of this is included with your purchase of YT Influencer, but remember, there's going to be more videos added over time than what you see here. And then if you have any questions or need to get in touch with me, you can do it directly through the Facebook group or through the support link here where I answer all of the emails myself. So this is YT Influencer. If you want to get into affiliate marketing and YouTube, this is it.
Okay, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you all the bonuses. Just by picking up the front end of YT Influencer, you will get incognito. Now this method is something you don't even have to have a website. It's completely 100% newbie friendly. You will learn how to find high converting offers. You'll learn all of the Warrior Plus high converting offers as well as JV Zoo. You will also learn how to use secondary lead hooks, which are squeeze pages or landing pages, by the way. You'll learn how to drive traffic, quality traffic for free. You'll learn what to use for video content. You'll learn how to what optimization is, so you can get your best rankings. You'll also get some ways to do triple conversions with bonuses. You'll also understand how to double your money with push notifications. You'll learn how to generate free traffic with Pinterest and setting up your pins, and you also have a couple of sections where they show you all about solo ads. And then bonus number 2 is how to explode your YouTube channel. This is a quick video, a training on how to, by someone who already knows how to do well on YouTube. And I think he's got some really good tips that are still tried and true today. Bonus number 3 is YouTube Authority. This is a tutorial on how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel for your business or brand. Bonus number 4 is 5-Figure Freedom. This is a complete masterclass from soup to nuts. It's all about affiliate marketing. It's all about getting everything you need to get in order to make money online. Bonus number 5 is the lost code, and this is something that I always come back to, even though it's been around for probably a good 4 years now. It is also a good newbie-friendly way to understand how to make money online using affiliate marketing. So again, at any time, if you want to go ahead and click the link in the description below this video, you will be able to get this bonus page and all my bonuses just by clicking on the yellow buttons. It will take you directly to the sales page. And then all you need to do is scroll down to where you can get it, which here, right out underneath his front end video sales letter, you can go ahead and get access now for $12.95. And then once you make your purchase inside of Warrior Plus, you will get a thank you message to your email that you choose to set up your account with if you don't have an account already. And you'll also have a way to access your purchase, and then the blue button is really important because that's where you're going to access all of my bonuses. So I really appreciate you taking the time to stick through this review of YT Influencer, and as always, if you like what you see here, if you want to go ahead and get more information about my upcoming digital product reviews and trainings, please click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. Once again, thank you so much and make it a great day.